Look at this. This is a storytelling animated website that I just created for a luxury coffee brand in like 10 minutes. As I scroll down, the coffee doesn't just move, it evolves. It morphs from a raw cherry to a roasted bean to powder and finally into a latte. If you asked a creative agency to build this, they would quote thousands of dollars and spend days on manual animation. But I built this entire thing in under 10 minutes and completely for free using Google Antigravity and a multi-model AI workflow that I'm gonna share today. So let's build this. And before we start, if you're also tired of all the 100k MRR with Annette and rappers bullshit out there and want to learn some applied AI engineering, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so first thing first, you cannot build a site like this without consistent assets. Most people fail because their images look different or they just use two images, that is start frame or end frame. We need a perfect sequence and a lot of frames to generate. First, go to any browser and open Meta AI. It's a free and great for photorealism and good alternative of Midjourney. So the secret is that we need a specific background color for that. So I'm using this emerald green color. If you don't use a solid color, the website won't blend later. Okay, so we need around 5 to 6 images to get a good video that we want. So here I'll just paste this prompt. You can get this prompt in the description and I'll hit enter. Okay, it generated me some images. I like this one. I'll just download that image and I'll change the name it to, let's say, Gen Image 1. Okay, so now the trick is don't just ask for the next image. Upload the first image that we just downloaded back into the chat. This will tell the AI to keep the shape and lighting like exactly the same. Now I'll just paste the second prompt and hit enter. Look, it's perfect continuity with same background and like all the details. Now I'll do this for like 4 to 5 times to get our images frame by frame. You can get the prompts exactly, the link is in the description. Okay, look, here I have generated 7 images from Meta AI. It's literally perfect. I've also changed the name from first coffee, second coffee, third coffee, these kind of names. Now we have basically 7 stages of the coffee life cycle. Now we have still images, right? We need them to move or motion. Just search Gemini from Google. We are not using Flow this time and head over to Gemini. We are using the Veo 3.1 engine capabilities. Change this to Veo 3.1. I'm uploading all the images in order like this first, second, third, cherry bean, grounds cup and all. My prompt is very simple here. I'll just paste this prompt. Gemini handles the in-betweening. It figures out how a hard bean crumbles into a soft powder and yeah. And look at this. Look at the video it generated. Very fluid motion. I'll just download this video and we'll rename it as generated video. Okay, so now we have generated our video. The video is good. But most people uses that video and then just integrate it to their website. It's a completely wrong move if you want a very professional grade website. The problem with that video is that for a luxury brand, we need a very crisp, detailed video that has a very good quality also. So now to improve this quality of the video, I'm using a tool called Diffusion Studio. Note that it's not a paid promotion of Diffusion Studio. I could have used Topaz Labs, but it's not free and we want completely free assets. So just search Diffusion Studio from your browser. Here, click on this new project and import your video here. Now drag this video, imported video to your timeline. And here I'll just paste this prompt. It's very basic prompt, no fancy prompt is being used. Look, it is generating. It is using Proteus V4, which is a very good diffusion model to upscale videos. If you want more detailed video of diffusion models and Comfy UI, you can just tell me in the comments. And look, it has generated me a 4K video with color enhancement. Now what I'll do is I'll just now export this video here and click on that export button. Now we have our 4K video ready, but don't put an MP4 file on your website directly. If a user scrolls fast, a video file will lag and stutter. So first we need an image sequencer for that. First search video to frames on Google. I'll use this website called EasyGIF. Go to EasyGIF and upload this video. Click on upload video. Okay, check the frames here. I'll keep it with 15. Now just click on this convert button. Okay, here it has converted my video to multiple images. You can see a lot of images are there. What I'll do is I'll just download a zip file containing all of that. Now we have around 100 to 120 individual frames of our coffee morphing. Now I'll just unzip this folder and name it sequence. Okay, now it's time to build. First, download Google Antigravity from any browser and just open Antigravity. I've dragged my sequence folder into this projects folder already so that AI can process it. Now in this agent chat, like we're not writing any code line by line, we are acting as the architect. Like I've written a specific system prompt for this linked below. Basically, I'm telling the AI agent to act as a creative director and build a high-end scrollytelling landing page. Crucially, I'm telling it to use the same color as the video, because if I don't tell it, the video would look very distorted. Okay, look, it's done. I faced some errors. I just gave it to Antigravity and it solved all of those errors and bugs. And let's just preview it now. I'll run npm run dev into the terminal. And look at that. Look at the blend. You can tell where the image ends and the website begins. Like as I scroll, the coffee actually evolves. The text fades and perfectly synchronized with the visuals. And because we use the image sequence technique instead of a video file, it works perfectly on mobile phones. Just see. No lag, no loading circles. Okay, so in conclusion, we use Meta AI for the art, Gemini for the motion, and Antigravity for the architecture. And we just built a $1,000 digital website in like 10 minutes. So if you're an agency owner or a founder that you want to build some kind of high conversion infrastructure for your brand, I'm currently taking on some consulting clients. My paid and free meeting links are in the description and in the comment section. All the prompts are used in this video are in a Notion document below in the description. You can just check that out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.